Mastery is a book written by Robert Greene, first published in 2012. It is a self-help book that aims to provide readers with a guide to mastering any skill or field of knowledge. The book is based on the idea that true mastery is not innate talent, but rather a combination of innate ability and a specific set of acquired skills. Through case studies and historical examples, Greene presents a step-by-step process for achieving mastery in any field. The book also examines the personality traits and habits of successful individuals, and provides practical advice for developing them. The key lessons offered in mastery include: 1. The idea that true mastery is not innate talent, but rather a combination of innate ability and a specific set of acquired skills. This idea is based on the understanding that while some people may have a natural inclination or aptitude for a particular skill or field, true mastery can only be achieved through a combination of innate ability and a specific set of acquired skills. Innate ability refers to the natural talents or tendencies that a person is born with. This can include things like spatial awareness, creativity, or a good memory. Innate ability forms the foundation for a person's potential to excel in a particular field. Acquired skills, on the other hand, refer to the specific skills and knowledge that a person learns and develops through practice, education, and experience. These acquired skills are essential for achieving mastery in a particular field, as they allow a person to build on their innate ability and turn potential into actual results. The process of achieving mastery, therefore, is not just about having innate ability, but also about continuously learning and developing the specific skills and knowledge that are required to excel in a particular field. It's also worth noting that in order to achieve mastery in a field, one must also have a passion for it, and be willing to put in the time and effort to master it. Without this drive and determination, even the most talented individual will not achieve mastery. 2. The importance of apprenticeship and finding a mentor in order to learn the skills and knowledge necessary to achieve mastery in a particular field. An apprenticeship is a learning process in which an individual works under the guidance of an experienced master in a specific field. It is an effective way to gain hands-on experience and learn the skills and knowledge that are necessary to achieve mastery. A mentor, on the other hand, is a person who has achieved mastery in a particular field and is willing to share their knowledge and experience with others. A mentor can provide guidance, feedback, and support as an individual works to achieve mastery. Both an apprenticeship and a mentor can provide an individual with access to the skills, knowledge, and experience that is necessary to achieve mastery in a particular field. By learning from someone who has already achieved mastery, an individual can avoid many of the mistakes and setbacks that can occur when trying to learn a new skill on their own. One of the key lessons in the book is that finding a mentor is essential to achieving mastery. A mentor can provide guidance and support, share their own experiences and insights, and provide valuable feedback that can help an individual improve and grow. Having a mentor also helps to increase an individual's motivation and can provide access to a network of other professionals in the field. 3. The need to develop a deep understanding of the history and context of the field in order to gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Developing a deep understanding of the history and context of a field is important for several reasons. First, it allows an individual to understand how the field has evolved over time and how it has been shaped by the contributions of previous masters. This historical context can provide valuable insights and perspectives that can help an individual to better understand and appreciate the field. Second, understanding the history and context of a field can help an individual to identify patterns, trends, and recurring themes. This can be particularly useful in identifying opportunities for innovation and improvement. Third, understanding the history and context of a field can also help an individual to identify and appreciate the contributions of previous masters, and to gain inspiration from their work. Overall, developing a deep understanding of the history and context of a field is an important step in the process of achieving mastery. It allows an individual to gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter and to appreciate the work of previous masters, which can provide valuable inspiration and guidance as they work to achieve mastery themselves. Also, understanding the context of a field can help an individual to identify the current trends, and how to adapt to them. It helps to stay current and to be able to predict future developments and advancements in the field. 4. The importance of experimentation and taking risks in order to gain new insights and make breakthroughs. Experimentation is the process of trying out new things, taking risks, and learning from the results. In the context of achieving mastery, experimentation can be a powerful tool for discovering new methods, techniques, and approaches that can help an individual to improve and grow. Taking risks is an important aspect of experimentation. By taking risks, an individual can push themselves out of their comfort zone and try new things. This can lead to new insights and breakthroughs that would not have been possible if they had stayed within their familiar patterns. The key point is that experimentation and taking risks are not only important for making breakthroughs but also for learning and growing as a person. Experimenting with new ideas, techniques and methods can help to broaden an individual's perspective and give them a deeper understanding of the field. In summary, Lesson 4 in Mastery emphasizes that experimentation and taking risks are necessary for achieving mastery. By experimenting with new methods and taking risks, an individual can gain new insights and make breakthroughs that can help them to improve and grow. It's important to note that experimentation doesn't always lead to success, but it's through failures and mistakes that one learns and grows. 5. The need to develop a combination of both practical and creative skills in order to achieve mastery. Practical skills refer to the specific technical skills and knowledge that are necessary to excel in a particular field. These are the skills that are required to perform the day-to-day tasks and responsibilities of the field. For example, in photography, practical skills might include things like understanding exposure, composition, and the use of different camera equipment. Creative skills, on the other hand, refer to the ability to think outside the box, to come up with new ideas and approaches, and to see things in a different way. These skills are essential for making breakthroughs and for finding new and innovative solutions to problems. In photography, creative skills might include things like an eye for composition and the ability to create a unique vision or style. To achieve mastery in a field, it's important to develop both practical and creative skills. Practical skills provide the foundation for excellence in the field, while creative skills allow an individual to stand out, to differentiate themselves from others, and to make breakthroughs. One of the key takeaways from this lesson is that achieving mastery requires a balance of both practical and creative skills. It's important to have a strong foundation in the technical aspects of the field, but also to be able to think creatively and to come up with new and innovative ideas. It's also worth noting that developing both sets of skills takes time and effort, and it's not possible to be good at everything, so it's important to focus on the areas that align with the individual's strengths and interests. The step-by-step process for achieving mastery as given in the book includes: 1. Identify the field or skill you want to master. 2. Seek out a mentor or apprenticeship to learn the necessary skills and knowledge. 3. Immerse yourself in the history and context of the field to gain a deeper understanding. 4. Experiment and take risks to gain new insights and make breakthroughs. 5. Continuously work on developing and refining your skills, both practical and creative. 6. Learn how to share and teach your knowledge and skills to others. 7. Continuously seek out new challenges and opportunities to continue growing and expanding your skill set. Here is an example scenario of how the lessons and process offered in mastery could be applied in practice. A person wants to become a master in the field of photography. 1. Identify the field. The person recognizes their passion for photography and decides to pursue it as a career. 2. Seek out a mentor. the person finds a professional photographer who is willing to take them on as an apprentice. They spend time learning from their mentor, observing their techniques, and getting feedback on their own work. 3. Immerse yourself in the history and context. The person spends time studying the work of famous photographers, both past and present. They learn about the history of photography and the different styles and techniques used over time. 4. Experiment and take risks. The person starts experimenting with different types of photography, such as portrait, landscape, and street photography. They also try out different types of equipment and techniques to see what works best for them. 5. Continuously work on developing and refining your skills. The person continuously practices their photography skills and refine their craft. They also attend workshops and classes to learn new skills and techniques. 6. Learn how to share and teach your knowledge. The person starts sharing their work on social media and enters photography competitions to gain recognition and feedback. They also start teaching photography classes to others. 7. Continuously seek out new challenges and opportunities. The person continues to challenge themselves by taking on new photography projects, such as shooting a wedding, or a big event, or going on a photography trip to a remote location. By following this process, the person is able to achieve mastery in the field of photography through a combination of innate ability, acquired skills, and a deep understanding of the history and context of the field. They also continue to learn, grow and improve their craft by seeking out new challenges and opportunities. An example from history. Leonardo da Vinci is a historical figure that is used in Mastery by Robert Greene to illustrate the idea that true mastery requires a combination of both practical and creative skills. Leonardo da Vinci is widely considered to be one of the greatest minds in history. He was not only a master of the technical aspects of painting, but also excelled in other fields such as science, engineering, and architecture. His drawings and notebooks reveal a deep understanding of the natural world, as well as a keen ability to observe and analyze. He was also a master of observation, and an expert in applying his knowledge in different fields. That's why he is considered a Renaissance man. In terms of the lessons and process provided in the book, Leonardo da Vinci's life and work serve to illustrate the following. The idea that true mastery is not innate talent, but rather a combination of innate ability and a specific set of acquired skills. Leonardo's innate abilities as an artist and his acquired skills in science and engineering allowed him to excel in a wide range of fields. The importance of apprenticeship and finding a mentor. Leonardo apprenticed with Andrea del Verrocchio, a master artist and engineer, and learned the technical skills necessary to excel as a painter. The need to develop a deep understanding of the history and context of the field. Leonardo was deeply knowledgeable about the works of his predecessors and the historical context of his time. The importance of experimentation and taking risks. Leonardo's notebooks are filled with drawings and sketches of his ideas, some of which were groundbreaking and ahead of their time. The need to develop a combination of both practical and creative skills. Leonardo's mastery of both the technical aspects of painting and his ability to think creatively and make breakthroughs in other fields demonstrate the importance of developing both types of skills. Overall, Leonardo da Vinci's life and work serve as an example of how the principles outlined in Mastery can be applied in practice. His combination of innate ability, acquired skills, deep understanding of history and context, experimentation, and ability to think creatively, all contributed to his mastery in multiple fields. In conclusion, Mastery by Robert Greene is a self-help book that provides a guide to achieving mastery in any skill or field of knowledge. The book is based on the idea that true mastery is not innate talent, but rather a combination of innate ability and a specific set of acquired skills. The book offers a step-by-step process for achieving mastery and examines the personality traits and habits of successful individuals, providing practical advice for developing them. The key lessons offered in the book include the importance of apprenticeship and finding a mentor, the need to develop a deep understanding of the history and context of the field, the importance of experimentation and taking risks, the need to develop a combination of both practical and creative skills, and the need to continuously learn, grow and improve. The book uses case studies and historical examples to illustrate these concepts and provides a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to achieve mastery in a particular field or skill.